Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy koji. First, gather your ingredients: a base substrate like puffed rice or corn, koji spores, and a sterile environment. Ensure all your equipment, such as trays and incubation chambers, is thoroughly cleaned and ready. We'll focus on creating the ideal conditions for successful koji growth, transforming simple ingredients into a versatile culinary tool. This process requires attention to detail for the best results. Begin by hydrating your chosen puffed grains, aiming for a 40% moisture content. This is crucial for optimal koji growth. Next, spread the prepared substrate evenly across your sterile trays, ensuring a consistent layer. Then, steam the substrate for about 30 minutes to thoroughly sterilize it, eliminating any unwanted microorganisms before inoculation. Allow it to cool completely before proceeding.
If you're finding this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. On another note, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money and financial independence. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Once your substrate has cooled to 30 degrees Celsius, it's time for inoculation. Evenly sprinkle your koji spores over the entire surface of the substrate. Place the inoculated trays into your incubation chamber. Maintain a consistent temperature of 30 degrees Celsius and 85% humidity. Check on your koji every 8 to 12 hours, looking for initial signs of growth. Your cotton candy koji is ready for harvest when it forms a dense, white mycelial mat, typically within 48 hours. Gently break up the koji into smaller, manageable pieces. This helps with the drying process. Then, dry the koji at 40 degrees Celsius until it becomes completely brittle. Proper drying ensures a longer shelf life and preserves its unique enzymatic properties for future use.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.